Hello everyone, this is Toys Unlocked, and today I have been fortunate enough to get my hands on this beautiful rainbow of LEGO Friends cubes that are new for March 2021. Now, there's a lot going on here. These are animal cubes, and they're different than the cubes of the past because, well, they have animal faces on them. We have a David Bowie cat, we have a pug with extremely wrinkly eyebrows, a flamingo who just looks suspicious. Oh, there's so many to choose from. And in fact, I couldn't decide which cube I wanted to build today, so I asked my son, and he has chosen the bunny cube, which is actually kind of terrifying. Now, I don't want to give any spoilers, but I have a sneaking suspicion that we're going to get a bunny with this set. I don't know what gives me that idea. It's just the sense I have. So as you can see, this cube has a creepy bunny face, and we get a mysterious animal. Now, I don't want to look too closely at what's actually happening in the set. I want that to be a surprise, similar to this mystery animal. What could it be? Oh, maybe it's one of these 4 bunnies featured on the side. We have yellow, pink, teal, and purple. And I think I like purple the best. Hopefully we'll get purple. All right, I guess it's time to open this and build. It's a very small set, so there's not going to be a lot of building happening today. It will mostly just be the surprise of it all. And I am a huge sucker for surprises. I love mini blind bags. I love these Lego cubes when you don't know what color animal you're going to get. I love surprise parties. I love everything about it. So basically these sets were marketed to people like me who just constantly love that little adrenaline rush of what is inside? What is inside? Let's take a look. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. Never actually built a Lego Friends cube before, so I'm kind of excited to see what the set comes with. We have a box, which has something fabricy in it. We have a bag with a face. This is Andrea's cube, so Andrea's face. And then a little booklet of some kind and some stickers. Now, I have seen videos for Lego Friends cubes, and I am not impressed with these stickers. I am not thrilled by them. Inside our bunny face, we have, I think, probably more pieces, and our mystery animal. That's what's in this purple set right here. So we will have to build everything first and then see what kind of bunny we get. This is just a picture, which again shows the colors. I don't want to look at what's happening in the build. And then the other sets, you can see what kind of animals you would get in those. All right, these are probably our instructions, and as you can see, they are very, very simple, which means even I should be able to build it and add it to my Heart Lake City. Right, we are going to start with building one of the little vignettes that goes into one half of the cube, and I don't know what's going to be in this because I really did try my darndest not to look. The colors, though, are very springy. I'm guessing that because these cubes came out in spring, they're maybe supposed to represent spring, and it would make sense. They're kind of Eastery colors almost. We're making a little mushroom. Oh my goodness, that is precious. So yeah, this is, look at this yellow. This screams spring. We're making some kind of little castle or something, a rabbit castle, a rabbit hutch. I think that's what it's called. All right, we have a pink and yellow springy rabbit hutch and a bottle because for some reason, whenever these Lego Friends have any sort of set where they're interacting with animals, they always have a bottle. No idea why. All right, so I wonder what's in there. Come on, purple. Let's pop some stickers in the back here. I'm not really sure like what order you're supposed to build everything in, so I'm just kind of winging this. And we are gonna put one of these stickers on. I have some big giant scenes, got a little butterfly, which kind of supports the whole spring thing I had going on earlier. Very thematic. And let's see how you're supposed to line these up. There's no, I guess you could use the bottom of these cubes, these little square pieces. I was just informed by my son that I'm putting it in upside down, which is why I have my 4-year-old watch me while I build to make sure I don't make mistakes. Because guess what? I make a lot of them. All right, that looks straight. There we go. So we have some butterflies, and this slides right in here in front of the butterflies. It's incredibly simple, not very exciting, except for that mushroom, of course. But do you know what is exciting? A brand new torso for Andrea, so let's take a peek here. This is a pink fuchsia-y crop top with metallic rabbit printing on it, and oh my gosh, it's so cute. There's some little hearts that catch the light and printing on the back, which is always a huge plus. I really like this shirt. I don't know that the colors are very springy, but the little emblem definitely is. And Andrea is looking very happy and very fashionable with her gold sandals and her white flouncy skirt. She looks like she's ready to take care of a bunny or, be near it. I guess she's taking care of it because she's bottle feeding it. All right, let's go ahead and build the second side of our cube. We have another lime green base plate with a lip on it, and it's not very large, so it's very clear to me that these pieces are kind of intended to travel around inside of the cube until someone is ready to use them, and then they pop out so that you can act out a scene or whatever it is you're doing with the Lego, make a video. But it's not leaving very much room for decoration. So we do have a flower on this side, just like we had a flower on the other side, and then our tree gets some leaves. And what I find fascinating is that we're decorating it with yellow and orange leaves, which reads as fall to me. So before I was saying it was spring, I guess it's supposed to be in the fall? Do these cubes represent the seasons? I didn't really take a close look at them, so I have no idea. But we have a basket here. Maybe we're going to pick up acorns or something. I don't know what's going on. Andrea hopefully does. Okay, let's put a sticker on. These flowers look very springy to me. I don't know that they would be blooming in the fall, but I also don't know a lot about flowers. So let's just put it on here and we'll see how straight I can get it. I feel like, try to line it up with the bottom cubes, which I did not do, so this one is definitely higher than the other side. But that's okay. I'll get the hang of it, I'm sure. There are 5 of these cubes to build. By the end, I should be an expert. And that's our cube. Andrea fits right in there, and oops, there's a little carrot that I missed. And there's room for the rabbit on the other side, near the mushroom. So we just need to actually figure out what color rabbit we have. So let's find out. As a reminder, I am hoping for the purple bunny. Any bunny is fine. It's teal. It's a teal rabbit. It's an Easter rabbit. It has been dyed. Wow, okay, that is certainly a teal rabbit, and you pop it right there into your pink bunny castle, or whatever it is I was calling it. Wow, okay, that is the bunny cube. Or it will be the bunny cube once I put the ears on it, because don't forget, we got 2 blue fabric ears in that little cardboard sleeve that came with the set. So we are building something for our ears to attach to. They look like little Technic pins, and then these will pop right on top of the cube itself. And, you know, for some reason when I first saw these online, I thought that the ears were made out of Lego bricks. I have no idea why I thought that, because it actually makes pretty much 0 sense. But as you can see, they're quite floppy and fabricy. And if you turn the pins around, they just kind of attach over this little rounded ball part. They look kind of like little bunny earrings. So it's not the most sturdy thing in the world, but it looks quite decorative. Ooh, there you go. That's our bunny cube. It's cuter with the ears. It looks less terrifying. The face isn't as bad. And then inside, safely packed away, you have the teal bunny and Andrea picking up acorns in the fall. So there's just one more thing for us to do. On our sticker sheet, we have some leftover stickers, and I think you're supposed to just decorate the outside of the cube. So I'm going to put a bow, because this is, you know, is symbolic, right? Lego Friends sets with animals always have bows that you can put on them, so we're gonna give the bunny a bow, and I'm gonna put it right here on this curved spot where it makes 0 sense for me to do this, because it's probably gonna pop right off. Perfect. And let's follow that up with a little bunny heart silhouette sticker so that you know what's inside of the cube, just in case the actual rabbit with the enormous ears was not enough of a hint for you. All right, I think we still have a ton of stickers left. So let's put another one on here. The other bunny sticker. Again, just to signify that there are, in fact, rabbits associated with this cube. I don't really want to put any other stickers on. I'm not a huge sticker fan, but we'll do one more just because they gave us so many with the set. And we will do a little bug. Right there in the corner, barely noticeable. Perfect. And that is officially the bunny cube. Thanks for joining me today, everyone, while I explored the secrets of the Lego Friends cubes. We still have 4 more to build, and I'm also gaining on 100 subscribers, so there might be a giveaway in the future. Stay tuned, and be sure to like and subscribe. And until we build again, I will see you then.